Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. My name is Rich. In this video, we clean and fix the pool filter system in preparation for the hot summer. If you're a subscriber to the channel, you know we produce lots of videos on multiple topics. This is another video on pool projects. Links to the Fixing Things playlist is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel and doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to click the subscribe button so I can see you on the next episode. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.